In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create the animated glass bar effect in Premiere Pro. To begin, I've imported this clip onto my timeline over here. The first thing you need to do is to come over to this new item icon over here and select it, and select adjustment layer and hit OK, and drag this adjustment layer onto your timeline. Next, right click and scroll up and select speed duration and set the duration to 3 seconds and hit OK, and select the adjustment layer. Go over to the Effects tab and search for the Transform effect and apply the Transform effect under the Distort to your adjustment layer, and move over to Effects Control and uncheck Uniform Scale. Set scale height to 150, set scale width to 30, and set rotation to 25. Next, move your playhead to the start of your adjustment layer over here and toggle on the stopwatch next to Position, and scroll down to Transform and adjust the value for scale under Transform to 130. Now scroll up and adjust the X value for position until this bar is no longer visible on your screen while moving it to the left, and move the playhead to the end of the adjustment layer until this bar is moved to the right position of your screen, and move your keyframe to the end. The next thing you need to do is to duplicate this adjustment layer 2 times. And that's it, guys, on how to create this animated glass bar effect in Premiere Pro.